6 p.m. and our stop is at 7 p.m. That's the queue to go inside. They have, I think, entry for 200 people per slot. I don't think they will let us go in because ours is a 7 o'clock slot. In case they let us go in, then that's good. Doubtful. We'll give it a check. I'll give it a try and see. While mother and daughter are this, mother and son, not daughter. They are just getting some chips or something to eat. Inside. So we had a 7 p.m. slot, but they scanned the QR code and the gate opened, so we came inside. If not, I was wanted to ask them whether we can enter, but it's okay. So tomorrow morning we will have come again. So we get to see the daytime as well as the nighttime, the lights at night. Look at this. We got some cameras all over the place.
अशोक ट्री सीता जी ने नीचे आती है अशोक ट्री जो सीता जी ने नीचे आती है
We'll be taking out the videos in parts as we want to take out some pictures. It's the view down. Jamur plant or tree, whatever. All different type of trees. The walkway is full of wood, and you can see all these are all lights. In the night time it will light up and illuminate the place. So 1 hour slot. Come in Maina. There. They have all the nameplates put up on the side over here. It shows you which plant, which tree, or which bird. So that is the view of Giridon Chupati. You can zoom in and you can see nice view of the buildings too, beach. On top there. Got a very bad cough, so please excuse me. Apologies if in between you hear the cough noise. You can hear some birds chirping. We got to see some hawks and some parrots, but now you can't make out.
खिंचवाना पिक्चर इधर
तेरे में भी थोड़ा निकल गया अभी वो कुछ साइकिल है मेरी
Oh, it's hot. Need to take my wet wipe and wipe my face, sweaty face. Just waiting now for these lights to come on in the night. It's luckily we got this time. Just imagine coming at 7 o'clock when the sun is already settled and not much light. It'll be a little bit darkness and just these sidewalk lights coming on. So I'm happy that we got to see this day and night in one shot in an hour's time. I have booked tickets for tomorrow morning also because I thought that we will not make it for the day view. But we got it, so it's good. So I don't have to travel all the way from Borivali to Malabar Hill tomorrow early in the morning. This is how it looks from down. It will look nice during monsoon time. All this will be wet, leaves will be wet, trees will be wet. Might get a little water flow also falling down. Anybody wants wet wipes to wipe your face?
not side after that
Oh, there's some houses over there, buildings. Let's look at this full forest jungle type look. Yeah, let's take a picture from here. View of the sea through the trees. Okay, let's go and catch up to them now.
if I'm letting you then you also have to
Just one minute. Sorry, thanks. Now that's a nice view in between the trees. As well as you can see some buildings far end. So I will go a little bit quick on the front. No, it's become, I think almost 1 year's become now. It has become a little bit humid. No much breeze. So it says that this is some elephant apple tree. See that building over there, you can see through like a full glass house. Okay, so this is the end of the skywalk, and look at that glass building full, you can see inside. And there you can see from the far end Air India building. This is a nice view from here. Wow. So you come around here, take a U-turn and come back there and go out again. So the stands, pillars that hold the bridge. This is on top. This is, I think, part of hanging garden. All that on top. Keeled Indian Mabuya. A fast-moving skink with nailed scales. You get to see these over here, but now it is too bushy, so you won't able to see anything. Oriental garden lizard. Emergency exit to go down. We have an alarm. So we'll take a nice U-turn. So here's the U-turn that we take. And now the sun has set. It's getting a little bit dark. So now this is a nice view from here too. Let's zoom in. And zoom out. So we'll just wait now for it to become dark and the lights will come on. Then we do the final shoot and then we move out from here. Have come on, but it's still not become dark, so we cannot see how it looks. It's almost 5 to 7 and the security guard has already gone inside and started to tell everybody to leave. Plus the loudspeakers are saying please leave for the next batch to come in. So all we can see is this is how it looks. It will look much better when it's a little bit darker. Asian कोयल
7 का स्लॉट सगळ्यांनी एक्झिटसाठी गेट कडे चला 6 से
7 बजे का स्लॉट गेट पे चले जाओ दूसरा को आने दे
सभी लोग एग्जिट के लिए गेट की तरफ चलिए
now this part you can make out how it looks. I'll go ahead and turn around and see how it looks. Yeah, now it looks really good. Somewhat better. South ka hero and heroine. And I'm the villain. So, going time now, we'll go to the station and take a train. Because going by metro is too long. It's 40 minutes plus 10 minutes plus another 40 minutes. Almost 2 hours will go. While train, it's only 45 minutes. And we get a fast train. Red vented bulbul. So if you actually go to see, Indian grey hornbill. Oh, these also come here. So as I was saying, if you go to see, it's a nice 45 minutes walk. You know, strolling, not walk, but just strolling. 45 minutes it will take. Less than 45 minutes. I mean, after doing the shooting and pictures, it's taking around 1 hour. So if you just come casually and walk, it will be done in 30 minutes. And if you do a super walk, then maybe 10-15 minutes. I thought we could go on top, but we can't go on top. I think this is all part of hanging garden. Whew. It is hot now. Wet wipes came in use. Back gecko.
Bark.
Oh, bark. Bark gecko. Yeah, here you can make out how it looks at night. Nice it looks. I think the 7 to 8 batch, now slot, maybe by 7:30, 7:45 it will be nice and dark, and this area will be lit up nicely. I'm too drenched over here. Aaron was drenched. Come on fast.
There are so many.
So, had to stop for some pictures. Let me go ahead. Surprisingly, no breeze at all. Beach is opposite, but not a single leaf you can see shaking. And we have come to the end, the entrance. You can see the next slot. People are waiting. So we stop now here because you can't take out video of the security guards. They are the line since they are on duty. So this is the ticket counter, and this is the entry. This is all 7 o'clock slot. We were supposed to be here, but we got the earlier slot to enter inside. Now let's go back. Heading for one restaurant to have something. Yeah, we got the light and the day. Night and the day.
Light and the night and the day.
Yeah.
Light and the night.
Night and the day and the day and the night. Oh, but it's really hot, huh? It's humid inside. No breeze now. Here the breeze has started. And here the lights have come on now. Chalo, see you all now. You can see the 3 shadows walking. One wants to go behind only.
Hiding here.
Hiding only, really.